Welcome to today's video about herbal drinks for your kidney health. Are you searching for a natural boost for your kidneys? Well, you might just find a treasure in your teacup. Science has been peeking into the garden, and what they found is pretty amazing. Did you know that certain herbal drinks are not just for relaxation but might also pack a powerful punch for kidney health? But how effective are they really? And could your favorite herbal tea be the kidney's guardian angel? Or is it all just steeped in myth? Stay tuned as we brew the facts from fiction, unraveling the mysteries of herbal drinks for kidney health, backed by the latest research. Grab your mug. This is one journey your kidneys won't want to miss. Please note, this content is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare provider regarding any medical conditions or concerns. Now, let's unveil the lineup of herbal elixirs for your kidney health, beginning with our first noteworthy contender, Dandelion Tea. Dandelion Tea, a traditional kidney tonic, is steeped in science that reveals its renal benefits. When you sip this earthy brew, you're not just enjoying a simple plant infusion. You're engaging with a complex mix of bioactive compounds like taraxacin, taraxacerin, and sesquiterpene lactones. These natural chemicals work in tandem to give dandelion its diuretic prowess, nudging your kidneys to expel excess salt and water, which in turn can help manage blood pressure, a boon for kidney health. Moreover, dandelion tea harbors antioxidants, think flavonoids and phenolic acids, which arm your kidneys against cellular damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals. These plant warriors could be instrumental in reducing inflammation, a known adversary in chronic kidney disease. Incorporating dandelion tea into your routine can be simple. Aim for a cup of freshly brewed tea from the leaves or root daily. Opt for the organic variety to dodge pesticides and consult with your doctor to ensure it meshes with your health profile, especially if you're on medication. Enjoy it warm or cold, perhaps with a slice of lemon for an extra detoxifying kick. Remember, moderation is key, as overconsumption could lead to electrolyte imbalances. Your kidneys work hard for you. A gentle boost from dandelion tea could be a small gesture of thanks from you to them. Next, number 2, Nettle Tea. Nettle tea, derived from the stinging nettle plant, is a kidney-supporting powerhouse. When you sip on this herbal brew, you're getting a mix of active compounds like flavonoids, which are like your kidney's personal cheerleaders, boosting their filtration prowess. These flavonoids, along with other polyphenolic compounds found in nettle, act as antioxidants to protect your kidneys from damage and support the natural detox process. What's happening behind the scenes? The compounds in nettle help to increase urine output. This means your kidneys are given a helping hand in flushing out waste, keeping those tiny filters working efficiently. But it's not a solo act. Vitamins like B and C in nettle also jump into the mix, providing a nutritional boost that further aids kidney function. Including nettle tea in your routine is simple. Steep it fresh or dried, and enjoy a cup daily. Remember, it's a supplement to a healthy diet. Think of it as part of a broader wellness ensemble. Just keep in mind, moderation is key. Too much of a good thing can be a challenge for the kidneys. So enjoy your nettle tea, but make sure it's part of a balanced approach to kidney health. Next, number 3, Ginger Tea. Ginger tea is like a warm, soothing friend for your kidneys. It's brimming with compounds that show some real zest when it comes to kidney health. Imagine the bioactive elements, gingerol, chaval, and peridol, like a cleanup crew. These molecules dive into your body, and they're not just twiddling their thumbs. Research, like the study published in the Journal of Renal Endocrinology, 2016, shows these compounds have antioxidant powers. This means they can take on the oxidative stress that, unchecked, could leave your kidneys stressed. And inflammation. Ginger's got a grip on that, too. By dialing down inflammation, which is mentioned in the International Journal of Inflammation, 2018, Ginger tea can help your kidneys function without fighting through a storm of swelling and heat inside your body. Less inflammation means a smoother sail for your kidneys. Now, here's how you make it a regular in your life. Brew it fresh and go easy on the sweet stuff. A cup a day could be your kidney's ally, but it's not a solo act. Keep it balanced with plenty of water, a healthy diet, and lifestyle choices that your kidneys will thank you for. Remember, it's about the harmony of habits, and ginger tea can play a key part in that symphony. Next, number 4. Turmeric Tea. Turmeric tea, with its golden hue, isn't just soothing. It's packed with compounds that can help your kidneys. Curcumin is the star player here. It's what gives turmeric its vibrant color and its reputation for fighting inflammation. In the world of kidneys, inflammation can be a real troublemaker, leading to damage over time. Curcumin steps up to bat for your kidneys, helping to calm that inflammation down. But curcumin isn't flying solo. Turmeric also contains other active compounds like turmerones, which have their own kidney-friendly benefits. Research published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition in 2020 suggests that these compounds together not only tackle inflammation, but also help in preventing the buildup of toxins, which is often a heavyweight task for the kidneys. This detoxifying effect is a big win for kidney health. And how do you make turmeric tea part of your routine? Simple. Brew it fresh, maybe with a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption, and enjoy. Just keep in mind, moderation is key. Your kidneys love the support, but they don't want to be overwhelmed. Next, number 5. Parsley Tea. Parsley tea is often touted for its kidney health benefits, and here's why. When you sip on this herbal brew, you're taking in 2 key players, myristicin and apiol. These compounds have diuretic properties, which means they help your kidneys flush out excess fluid. Think of them as gentle nudges for your kidneys to kick into gear and clear out what's not needed. But it's not just about getting rid of water. By increasing urine flow, parsley tea helps to move out waste products more efficiently, reducing the strain on your kidneys. It's like giving your kidneys a helping hand to tidy up. In a study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, 2018, scientists found that parsley played a role in reducing the buildup of certain minerals that could otherwise lead to kidney stones. Incorporating parsley tea into your diet can be simple. Steep some fresh or dried parsley in hot water, strain and enjoy. Just remember, moderation is key. Parsley is potent stuff, and if you're already managing kidney issues or taking medications, have a chat with your doctor first to ensure it's a safe addition to your routine. Next, number 6. Green Tea. Green tea is like a friend to your kidneys, offering them a protective shield with its various compounds. When you sip this soothing drink, a team of antioxidants known as catechins, including epigallocatechin gallate or EGCG, spring into action. These are not just any antioxidants. They're like the elite protectors of your cells, warding off damage with their anti-inflammatory prowess. The journal Advances in Nutrition, 2019, highlighted that EGCG helps keep the cells in your kidneys from getting inflamed or scared. But it's not a one-hero show. Other compounds like theanine and polyphenols in green tea join the fray, working together to ensure your kidneys aren't overwhelmed by toxins. These compounds help your kidneys filter out the bad stuff more effectively, as supported by research in Kidney International Reports, 2017. By integrating green tea into your daily routine, you're not just enjoying a moment of calm, but you're also giving your kidneys a helping hand. Whether it's a warm cup in the morning or a refreshing iced brew on a hot day, you're supporting your kidney health with every sip. Just keep it to a couple of cups a day. Too much of a good thing can be a concern, especially if you're sensitive to caffeine. Next, number 7. Cranberry Juice. Cranberry juice has a reputation for supporting kidney health, and for good reason. It's packed with compounds such as anthocyanins, proanthocyanidins, and flavonoids, which are the real MVPs when it comes to your kidneys. These antioxidants fight off harmful free radicals, keeping your kidneys in check in the battle against urinary tract infections or UTIs, which can really knock your kidneys off kilter. The proanthocyanidins in cranberries are particularly important. They prevent bacteria from sticking to the bladder and urinary tract walls, as confirmed by research published in the Journal of Urology, 2012. Now, it's not just about keeping UTIs at bay. The anti-inflammatory power of these compounds helps reduce kidney inflammation, which can help prevent damage over time. Integrating cranberry juice into your diet is simple. Enjoy it chilled. Blend it into a smoothie, or even mix it into dressings. Just keep an eye on the sugar content. Opt for pure, unsweetened cranberry juice when you can. It's a small, tasty habit that could make a big difference for your kidney health. Next, number 8. Goldenrod Tea. Goldenrod tea has a storied history in traditional medicine, often associated with supporting kidney health. The science behind it centers on its diuretic properties. Basically, it helps your kidneys to more efficiently process and eliminate excess fluids. The active compounds that play a role in this are flavonoids like quercetin and saponins. These are the powerhouses that kickstart your kidneys into a higher gear, promoting urine flow to flush out those unwanted elements from your body. But it's not just about increasing urine output. The anti-inflammatory compounds in goldenrod, such as rutin and kaempferol, can be really soothing for your kidneys. They help in reducing inflammation, which is a boon for your hard-working renal system. Incorporating goldenrod tea into your routine is simple. Just steep the dried herb in hot water and enjoy. Remember, moderation is key, as is consulting with a healthcare provider, especially if you have existing kidney issues or are on medication. A cup of goldenrod tea could be a comforting addition to a kidney-friendly diet, contributing to your overall health regime. Next, number 9. Horsetail Tea. Horsetail tea is quite an interesting brew for your kidneys. It's like a gentle nudge that helps them get rid of what's not needed in your body. This herbal tea has a bit of a reputation for being a natural diuretic. That means it helps promote urine production, which in turn allows your kidneys to flush out more waste, extra fluid, and even help with those pesky kidney stones. The secret behind horsetail's kidney benefits lies in its bundle of compounds. It's got antioxidants like flavonoids, which are like your kidney's personal bodyguards against damage. Then there's silica, a mineral that plays a part in repairing and maintaining tissues in your body, including those in your kidneys. Plus, saponins and sterols come into the mix, adding to the diuretic effect, helping to cleanse your system. While it's not a magical cure, incorporating horsetail tea could be a simple yet effective way to support your kidney health. Just steep it like any other tea, but keep it in check. Moderation is key. And before you make it a regular guest in your mug, chat with your doc, especially if you've got kidney issues or you're on medication. They'll give you the green light if it's a good fit for you. Next, number 10. Marshmallow Root Tea. Marshmallow root tea might feel like a warm, soothing hug for your kidneys. When you sip on this earthy brew, the mucilage, a gel-like substance, gets to work. It's like a gentle balm, coating and calming irritated tissues along your urinary tract, which can be a real boon if you're dealing with the discomfort of kidney stones or other urinary ailments. Now, let's dive a bit deeper. Beyond the mucilage, marshmallow root is packed with antioxidants. Think of these as your kidney's personal bodyguards, shielding the cells from damage by free radicals. But it's not a one-man band. There are also flavonoids, polyphenolics, and amino acids joining the ensemble, each with their unique health-promoting tunes. These compounds are like the kidney's maintenance crew, potentially assisting in reducing inflammation and supporting the body's natural cleansing process. While the research world is still unraveling all the secrets of marshmallow root, one study published in the Journal of Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry in 2018 highlighted its diuretic properties. This means it can help increase urine flow, washing out unwanted substances, which is pretty handy for your hardworking kidneys. Incorporating Marshmallow Root Tea into your routine is pretty straightforward. Brew it up like any other herbal tea. Steep the root in hot water, strain, and enjoy. Remember, moderation is key. Check in with your healthcare provider to ensure it fits seamlessly with your health plan. And there you have it, the blend of nature's finest that may just be your kidney's best friends. We've sipped our way through the science and stories behind these herbal heroes. But remember, the perfect brew for health is always a balance of knowledge, moderation, and a dash of medical advice. Before you click away, spill your thoughts in the comments below. Are you going to infuse some of these herbal wonders into your routine? And if you're already a herbal tea enthusiast, share your experiences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay updated on all things health and wellness. Here's to your health, one sip at a time. Until next time, keep brewing the good stuff.